Hello and welcome to NAU Career Development's Handshake tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make an appointment at the Career Development Department. After logging into Handshake with your NAU credentials, you'll navigate to the Career Center button on the left side of the screen. After clicking on Career Center, click Appointments. Then, click the blue icon that reads Schedule a New Appointment. From here, you'll want to choose the status that best describes your position at NAU. Next, you'll read and review the descriptions of each different type of appointment and decide which best fit your needs. Once selected, a calendar will show the specific consultant's availability. Select a date and time, and you will then enter your preferred appointment medium along with any notes you may have regarding the meeting. Finally, complete the request and your appointment will be confirmed. Thank you so much for joining us, and be sure to reach out to us at Career Development if you have any difficulties.